go. Come on. This little guy. Really trying to give you a hand. Trying to give you a hand without you messing up mine. There we go. That little dude was feisty. Yeah. There we go. There we go. What we got coming down. A couple of fish. Let's see if we can get on some more. Man. Back strike on that. There we go. Keep that right. Nice size striper. Pretty fish. This guy, keep him going, keep the pressure on. There we go. Come on, good buddy. That's a nice size perch. Yes, sir. I'll take that all day. Nice size, buddy. Yes, sir. Guys, it was a good time down here. Like I said, memory lane. I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy yourselves. Make sure you're outside doing something. Get out fishing, get out hunting, do it all, baby. See you guys later.